Birds and fish lead such different lives that they rarely interact. Birds soar through the skies or hop on land, while fish glide through water. Some birds, like seagulls and kingfishers, actually catch fish for meals, so they definitely aren't friends in those moments. But imagine a fun story where a bird and a fish team up. The bird could fly high, spotting danger from above, while the fish explores the underwater world, showing the bird hidden treasures. It's a delightful thought, but in reality, their worlds are so separate that friendship just isn't in the cards. Still, it's fun to dream about what their adventures could be like.